Surrender. Surrender is not an act of defeat, it is a claim of power, a release into who you are, the invincible one. It is not backing down or running away, it is looking at fear unblinking and smiling. And do you rust because you know fear's secret name? Surrender doesn't require apology, just the humility to be joined. It is victory over the ego. Who says you are vulnerable? It is victory over time, telling death it isn't terminal. It is victory over pain by never suffering in a vain. Surrender is where the laughter lives, the place joy calls home, where loves can be loved. You will know you are there when it isn't hard more.